मेरे पास ये एक मिट्टी का मग पड़ा हुआ था, तो आज मैंने सोचा क्यों ना इसको डेकोरेट किया जाए। तो चलो आज हम इसे डेकोरेट करते हैं with paints. So required material, you can see already I have taken this blue color over here, dark blue, green and yellow. Only 3 colors I took over here, and water over here to clean the brush, and ये वाला पानी मैंने लिया है कलर को थोड़ा सा लिक्विड बनाने के लिए, एंड मैं यूज़ करूँगी इस रोलर को फॉर पेंट दिस। सो चलो शुरू करते हैं। पहले तो मैं अपने पेंट को थोड़ा सा, इस कलर को अब थोड़ा सा पतला कर दूंगी सो दैट आई कैन यूज कलर प्रॉपरली with roller, but before that I'll mix it with the brush in this way. I'll mix this properly first. Now I don't want to waste my paint, so मैं इस तरह से ये सारा पेंट अपने ब्रश को इस तरह से इस मग के ऊपर ही क्लीन करूँगी इस तरह से। अब इसको अच्छे से क्लीन करके अपने ब्रशेस को साथ साथ क्लीन करें। अगर आप इनको साथ साथ क्लीन नहीं करेंगे तो आपके ब्रशेस ख़राब हो जाएंगे। सो कीप दिस इन योर माइंड ऑलवेज व्हेन यू यूज़ योर ब्रश, प्लीज़ क्लीन देम व्हेन यू। आई एम गोइंग टू स्टार्ट। So remember, I'm not going to apply color inside the mug. Only the outer side of the mug I'm going to decorate. This way I'm going to paint it properly first of all. Make sure your paint fill each and every corner of the mug. It should be painted properly. This way. So अब मेरा जो मग है वो सूख चुका है अच्छे से, और अब मैं स्टार्ट करने वाली हूँ इसमें डिज़ाइनिंग। सो रैंडमली आई पिक सम डिज़ाइंस। मैं इस पर स्टेंसिल वर्क भी कर सकती हूँ, अदर वर्क ऑल्सो कैन बी डन, बट अभी मैं क्या करूँगी, अभी मैं इस पर सिर्फ सिंपल फ्लावर डिज़ाइन करूँगी। और यू जस्ट सी हाउ आई विल मेक। सो आई विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम हियर। Simple patchwork I'm doing like this. This way. First I'll fill this with the flowers, then detail work I'll do later. Few flowers can be small, few can be big, few can be medium in size. Making my flowers with strokes only. Inside of this cup I didn't use any color, because if I wanted to use this for drinking water, or if I wanted to something eatable inside, so easily I can keep. So first of all we'll design it like this. Other details I'll do later. First I'll finish the flower part only. I'm going to put orange in between, in the center of the flowers, this way. In each flower, in the center, I'm going to place orange color, because I used dark colored base. So on dark color base, या तो आपको light colors use करने पड़ेंगे या फिर vibrant colors. So I took vibrant colors here, so that it looks beautiful and bright. That's why I put these colors over here. I love it. I love to paint. So this way, in each flower I added orange color. Now let's do something in it. So I'm going to use green color now. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to apply leaves simply this way. I'm not going to add so much details in it. As I told you, very easily and simply I'm going to put leaves in it. This way. Tried this green in it. You can use any other color. White also can work on it. So if you can see, I didn't use any pencil or anything. Simply the brush stroke I'm doing on it. जहाँ आपका ब्रश जा रहा है आप जाने दें. There is no issue. Just enjoy. That is most important. Why we paint? We paint for enjoying, right? So I'm also enjoying. That's why I'm using paints like this. Now I can see there is a little bit empty space in between. So I'm going to do one thing. I'm just going to put small orange flowers in it, very small tiny flowers in it, in this empty space. I don't want to spoil the base, but still I'm going to put some small flowers in it so that it composed properly. This way, small strokes I'm going to apply wherever I can see the empty space and which is not composed properly. I'm going to compose that first in this way. See, I put orange color inside the yellow flowers. So similarly, here inside the orange flowers I'm going to put yellow dots in it. This way I'm going to complete my flowers. Now you can see it's composed properly, and there is empty space as well, and even it's composed properly this way. So I hope I used everywhere inside the yellow, orange flowers this yellow. Yes, so now little bit more I need to do. I'm going to apply here. What I'm going to do, I'm going just make small leaves like this, very small, very tiny leaves inside this way. This way I'm going to place small tiny green leaves. So this way I'm going to add some green. This way. So it's done. The last and final step, I'm going to apply varnish on it to secure my paints, my design on it. But first we need to wait for drying. Once it will dry, then we will varnish. Okay, varnish on it, and it will give you a nice finishing when you apply varnish on it, and it will shine. See, I'm not going to use this for keeping water or something. I'm going to use this as a decorative piece, so that's why I'm putting varnish. Yeah, of course you can put varnish if you are going to use for water or something, but make sure inside you don't use any paint. You need to keep it safe from inside, so easily you can keep something inside it. This way. It's just a sample. We can create many more things. It's just an idea. हम लोग कुछ भी बना सकते हैं. ये मेरे पास कप पड़ा हुआ था, तो मैंने सोचा चलो क्यों ना इसको ही डेकोरेट किया. Now this is the final product. Yeah, now this is the final product.